welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush, aka Coding Phoenix, and yes, I'm back in the game. So you all must be wondering where I was going. So I just say that my term one exams were going on. Yes, I'm like you only, guys. I'm little bit small, like 11 years. I just say what we'll be doing today. What was the last time? Oh, 1 month ago. Oh, that's strange. Okay, yeah, never mind. We're just gonna start it. So what we are gonna do is a password generator. So what happens? Like you just type anything, IDK, I don't IDK. He says try including lowercase, uppercase, and numbers. So I just did is 9 this. Uh, he says 8, but what I need is just include one more because it's 8. If you check now 8, it will show like 10, which means is good. Okay, now if you click on generate password, it will show enter your first name or last name. So I did Ayush. Check. Oh, sorry, yeah, generate password. Okay. And one more thing, if you don't do anything and click check, enter valid password. Let's start the thing. So what you will be doing is, first of all, you need a column. You can just put it in the middle. Now in the column, nothing, all the same, only just the vertical alignment, the space around it will change. And inside the column you have to put it you have to put a text input, nothing much here. Now you need is a label name, put it under the text input, you name it as password strength score. Fit contains fill container, fit contains fill container, yeah, blah blah blah. Now you need is a row. So these are the row is fit contains fit container fit contains fit contains. Yeah, this is all the same. I don't need this. So here horizontal alignment is space around. So inside the button, what you will do is button, you can name it as button 1 check, not this one, I meant this one. This one I meant, not this one. So in the text you have to put a button 1 is check. Another button you need in the text, it is reset. And yeah, nothing much. You can name it as button to reset. Next you need is a button generate, like you can just name it anything. I just wrote button generate. Now you would in the text, in the text you have to write generate password. So when you click it, when generate the password idea. Yeah, nothing here. Label one distinct score you need. So the score is, oh yeah, the score is empty, so that's why I can't see it and you also can't. So why is it empty? Because the score is going to be in it. We name it as level 1 score. You can name it whatever you want. And finally a slider. So minimum value 1 and maximum value 10. Value 1, step for 1. This is very important. And yeah, this is 90% and this is 50%. And yeah, this is nothing. You can do this if you want. Red color. This thing. It is 208 to 27 1. And this is 126, 211, 33 1. So let's go to the coding, guys. Alright. So you must be wondering, so much code. Yeah, don't worry, even I was shocked. So yeah, so first you have to do is initialize app variable password to null. Already listen, guys, you have to do the code by yourselves. or then only you can get some practice. Otherwise, if I say the whole thing, then what is the use of you guys? You guys will just watch it and do it. So I'm not showing the code and the design and thing. That's why I'm doing this. What you can do is like you can do it by your own. I'm just showing the answers. You can practice on your own. So initialize app variable slide score to 0. Now the thing, when button to reset is clicked, do set app variable slider score to 0. We set the slider score to 0. So label one scores to text. So label one score is which one, guys? This one, in which the label one will come. I mean, in which the score will come. Now it will be to app variable slider score. So how much ever you will do, it will come like that. Set text input 1, text 2 blank. It will be blank only. Yeah, never mind. Set slider 1 value to 0. Alright. So set slider 1's value to 0 because it will start from 0. This one also you have to do initialize app variable symbols. You have to initialize one variable named symbols, lowercase string, uppercase string, and numbers. So this one you have to put all the symbols. In this you have to put all the lowercase string, and in this you have to put all the uppercase string, and in this one you have to put all the numbers. No need for 10, you can just put 0. So yeah, one sec guys. So yeah, as I was telling, um, where were we? Yeah, button one clicked. So yeah. Oh my god. So when button one click to set app variable slider score to 0, set slider one's value to 0. So we set app variable slider score to 0 and value also will be 0. Now what you'll do is you need a if do else block. So in the if you have to take a equals to true first. I mean equals to you have to take. In the second one you have to put true. In the first one you have to take first is empty. Then you have to do text input once text in the dash which is empty. So set label to text to enter valid password. Else set app variable password to text input once text. Count with I from 1 to the length of the app variable password by 1. So we're doing it I from 1 to the length of app variable password, meaning the length of the app variable password is there, right? So the length, so we're going to count it from 1, like by one step. Do if you take equal first and true, the so sorry, you have to do does contain. Alright, you have to click on does. That does you have to do all the lowercase things, and the second one you have to do in text app variable password. In text app variable password, get letter I. Change app variable slider score by 2. Break out a loop. So there's a loop going on, right guys? So we're going to break out of it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We just finished this fast. So label one score to app variable slider score. Set slider one's value to app variable slider score. Count with I from 1 to the length of app variable password by 1. Do if you have to take again that the same thing you have to do, right guys? What you did up, and again break out a loop. This one I see. So see, upper one we think is the this thing lowercase strings. Second one we are doing is uppercase strings. Third one we are doing is symbols. Fourth one we are doing is numbers. So all are very easy. You have to just repeat it. Now this one is the main one. So if, sorry, you have to take the symbol of this. If greater than equals to, length of app variable greater than equals to 8, if length of app variable password equals to greater than or equal to 8, change app variable slider score by 2. Else, say label 2, text 2, enter minimum 8 letters. Alright. If app variable slider score is less than 10, do set label to text to try including lowercase, uppercase, and numbers. So you can mention the symbols also if you want. And by symbols I mean special symbols. Now and set label 1 scores text to app variable slider score, set slider 1's value to app variable slider score. So you guys this thing the if the four if all the same, only nothing to worry, all are the same. Alright, just the thing is different. First you have to do lowercase, then uppercase, and then the special symbols, and then the number. You can do it in any order you want. Yeah, yeah, leave this. So this one will delete a big, yeah, I just delete this. I love I did it for fun. Sorry. When button generate click, so when you click the button generate, like the generate button that we did, if equals to you have to take first, sorry, equals to you have to take, in the second you have to put row, and in the first one you have to put text input once text is empty. Then you have to do set text input one hint to enter your first or last name. So here we are doing the hint, not the text. Alright. So what you'll be doing is now set text input once text to join. So you guys must be wondering why are the 5 things, like how to do the 5. So you can see this thing, no, you can take the item and put it here. You do 5 times, so 5 times. Okay, so set text input one text to join. In text inputs one text get substring from letter I, 1 to letter 4. In text app variable lowercase string gets letter random integer from 1 to 26. In text app variable number get letter random integer from 1 to 10. In text app variable symbols gets letter random integer from 1 to 10. In case app variable uppercase string get letter random integer from 1 to 26. And the thing is over. So you guys understood the main thing, right? Yeah. Yeah, so that's it, guys. You can put any cool background if you want. Just put a simple so that the all these things can be visible. And then you can name it as, you can like name it. Icon also you can do. Describe how to use the map. Anything you can do. You can just name it. I just wanted to see you can name it any name you want. Yeah, well, never mind. So guys, I will buy. So guys, I will be back in the next video with new amazing things. So yeah, see you until next time. So long, friends.